I have to say my first experience with Patwah, Jamaican Patois, did when me did in high school in the 80s. Yellow Man have a few songs them that in popular in the US, and whole heap of rappers and artists and them sampling music and thing, and say we get familiar with Jamaican music, from Yellow Man, from Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and whole heap of artists that did go mainstream into the US. So my real first experience again with Patwah would be hardcore Patwah. Snow that did hardcore for the eye in 91, because I didn't know nothing about Patwah. Zin? So, yeah man, Snow come out with a song in 1991 called it Farmer, and Wally Bob Patwah into that song. So, the only word me did I understand did Informer. Zin? So, my first experience, real hardcore Patwah, did 1991. I did 18 years old. Snow, the artist Snow, Informer. How me did get connected with the chat Patwah ecosystem after our trip to Jamaica. I wanted to learn Patwah, so started to look on the internet and came across a whole bunch of people that post and put things on YouTube and try to teach people. Seems as if they like to teach a lot of curse words and slang, things that I'm not interested in learning. I really want to learn the language, how to communicate in Patwah, not just curse. It's pointless to do that. I'm not trying to go and offend somebody. You can learn curse words anywhere. I was really trying to learn the language and came across the Chat Patwah YouTube channel and looked, watched a couple of videos, looked at comments and seen, how Andre did respond to some comments, which really sold me on him teaching the actual language serious. So, I was kind of sold at that point when I saw that he was serious about teaching, not just teaching curse words, because he doesn't teach curse words at all. You can learn them anywhere. You don't need Chat Patwah to learn curse words. So, that sold me on his integrity of what he was teaching, and that I would actually be learning the language. And then I just kind of joined everything that Chat Patwah had to offer, with Memrise app and WhatsApp, and follow on Instagram and Facebook and so on, and everything there. So, yeah. I have to say my biggest influence in a Jamaican culture and the language and all them thing there, me have to say my teacher Andre. Biggest influence, cause me look for him for advice and for understanding and for clarity and all them thing there. So me have to say my number one influence, Andre Cuff. Big up yourself, my brother. Secondly, artists, me rate artists like say Buju Banton and Protege and Jesse Royal, and artists were really a talk about a thing, I just make music and make girl dance and party and thing, and really a talk about something, understand? Not just make a party hit. So me rate artists that them a try to do something with them talent, you understand? Cause them a believe them a take after the one Bob Marley. Them realize years after him passing, the influence and power behind them words and his song them, and the positive energy will move forward. Say artists, a real smart artist are gonna pick up on that and follow after. Zin. So artists that really talk about change and thing, and exposing the wrong and all them something there. Not just nonsense shaggery. Me not rate artists will do that. So me think you're a waste man, a waste woman. So that's how the thing said.